Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. H Math Lab. This is the second video for Math 1 students. We are on chapter 6 or unit 6 practice test. This is about statistic and probability. Okay, problem 11. Based on the data scatter plot, which statement is true? The hint, what is the correlation, and describe. So look at they mean the scatter plot is from problem 10. So problem 10, we have 4 points. We're going to draw a line. Best fit line, go through as many points as possible. So that we see that the line is going down, it's negative slope. So the first description, part A, at x increases, the y value increases. So we're going to look at the points that we have here. X is from 5, 10, 15, and 20. So x increases. The y value is 10, go to 8, go to 5, go to 5, is decreases. So part A is not right. Answer A is not right. Part B, as x increases, y decreases. It makes sense. That's what we saw on we see on the graph right now. And part C, there's no relation between x and y, is wrong because we see x increase and y decrease. There's not enough data. It's just something to make it for multiple choice. Alright, number 12, based on the scatter plot, so we still go back to number 10. What do you expect the y value for x equal to 12? Alright, so when x is 12, so we have to guess 10 to 15, so somewhere over here is x is 12. What is your y value as x is 12? I would say it's about 7.5. So we're going to look at the answer between 5 and 8, which is right. We just say 7.5. Excuse me. Part B, lower than 5. Nope, doesn't make sense. Higher than 8. Nope. And it's impossible to tell. That possible true, but in the better answer is between 5 and 8, so that is correct answer. 7.5 between 5 and 8. Alright, number 13. Describe the shape of the distribution of 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 2. So first we're going to do is put them in the frequency table, and then we graph it, and then we see what is the distribution look like. So first number, we see that they start from 1 and they go up to 5. So I'm going to put number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to count the frequency of each number. Number 1, it just appear one time, so frequency is 1. Number 2 appear 2 times, so 2 is 2. 3 appear 1, 2, 3 is also 2. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 3 times, and 5 is 1, 2, 3 times, and 4 times. Alright, so what we're gonna do is graph this one. So this gonna be my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the frequency is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is my number, and this is my frequency. Alright, so we're gonna graph this. For number 1 is appear one time. For number 2 is appear twice, so 2 go up to 2. Number 3 is appear 2 times as well. Number 4 is appear 3 times. And number 5 is appear 4 times. Okay, so what is the answer here? So based on the graph, the example on this side, you have negative skew, symmetry, and positive skew. So this one is look like it's going up, And that's it. So that is negative skew distribution. So B is the correct answer. Okay. All right. Problem 14. Find the mean absolute deviation of 3, 9, 4, 8, and 11. So first you're going to find mean. X equal to, we're going to add them all up. Over divided by 5. So that will give us 3 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 5. So the mean is 7. Absolute value we're going to do is take 7 minus each number in the braces. So that will give me 4. Absolute value of 4 is 4. 7 minus 9 is absolute value of negative 2, which is 2. 7 minus 4, which is 3. 7 minus 8, which is absolute value of negative 1, which is 1. And 7 minus 11, negative 4, absolute value of negative 4, which is 4. Then we find mean absolute value deviation. So basically you're going to find the mean of each answer. So that would be 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 5. That will get me 14. You know what? I'm going to use the calculator for this. Plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. And then we divide by 5. That will give you 2.8 at the final answer. Alright, number 15. Guys, pause the video if you need more time to copy it down. Alright, number 15. Find the standard deviation of the following population data is 11, 19, 18, and 16. So first we're going to find mean. It's just like last problem. We're going to add them up and divide by 4. So 11 plus 19 plus 18 plus 16 divided by 4. That will give me 16. Square difference. So the difference between the standard deviation is instead of doing the absolute value, we're going to square the difference. So we're going to take 16 minus 11 and then square. We take 16 minus 19 and then square. 16 minus 18 and then square, and 16 minus 16 square. So 16 minus 11, which is 5 square, which is 25. 16 minus 19 is negative 3 square, which is 9. 16 minus 18 is negative 2 square, which is 4. 16 minus 16 is 0 square, which is 0. Then we're going to find the standard deviation. This is a little bit different here. So that will be sigma square equal to 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 0 divided by 4. 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 0 divided by 4. That will give me 9.5. So sigma square equal to 9.5. You're going to do is square root on both sides. So sigma equal to 9.5 square root of 9.5. That will give me 3.08. Oops. 3.0822. So if I round it nearer to 100, that will be 3.08. Alright, so that's it for number 15.